I don't know how to start.
Hey guys, welcome back to our amazing video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Leave a comment on how amazing we are.
Oh, my hair. It's not working for me here. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas, or as we call it, Tea and Toastmas. This is our jam advent calendar. If you didn't know, we are doing this all month long.
24 days.
We will be opening one jam per day and having it either on toast or today we hope to make scones or tea biscuits. I don't know. Everyone calls them different things, but
I like tea biscuit.
Yeah, I do too, actually. Yeah. So we are about to open day one. And we are super pumped.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to find... Where's day one? We found it. Okay, it's over here.
Right here. If I can open it, it'll be very aesthetic.
Where is it? I don't want to rip it, though. That's the only thing. Do you want me to?
I can do it.
Okay. Ooh. Can I pull it out?
Yeah.
Okay, you pull it out. I'll read it. Ooh. Hold on. We can get a close up later. What is it? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It
says on the box.
This is coings morceau.
We could pull up Google Translate. Hold on.
What does that mean?
I'll get Google Translate.
I don't know what that means. I thought the first one would be like a, like a... Should we sniff it?
Let me use Google Translate.
Oh, here, it has translations here.
Now you might spoil it.
What's coings? I've never heard of coings. Quince. It's quince with, what is morceau? I feel like that's like pieces, isn't it? Quince pieces? Quince. Put it in.
Oh, how do you spell it?
COINGS space EN space MORCEAUX. Quince pieces. What is a quince? I don't think... Do we have quince here? I feel like it's maybe not something we have super commonly in Canada.
Oh, it's like...
It looks like a lemon.
Hold up. What does...
quince taste like?
How fast I typed that.
Oh, pear-like.
It's like pears.
Ooh, I love
Citrusy
pears.
but gentler and without the sharpness of lime or lemon.
Oh, okay. Oh, that was a good sound.
Oh, so it has like tangy.
It smells like pear.
Yeah, it smells strong.
Okay. Okay. So in Canada here, well, in Ontario, where we live, we got like dumped on with snow. I'm not sure how much we have out there. It's like over a foot. And it's been snowing since Thursday? Started snowing Thursday night, and it basically hasn't stopped snowing since. It's stopped now, but everything is just loaded with snow. So I think what we're gonna do, my plan is to make tea biscuits with the, my favorite recipe is from an old Magnolia magazine recipe book. Nope, magazine. And so we're gonna make scones or tea biscuits and have the jam and a taste test. And for the tea, we are going to just stick to our favorite tea because we tried a tea advent calendar last year and it was not it, was it?
Yeah, all of them tasted like either the same or just bland.
Yeah. So we are gonna stick with our favorites. I really like Earl Grey is a classic, and we have. Is it chocolate digestive?
Yeah.
And toast and jam tea. And it is beautiful. So that's what we're gonna have with our jam every day. But I'm hoping to make
My favorite tea is apple chai. Or apple cinnamon.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we'll make apple cinnamon or apple chai. But I think we might have to go out and help because everyone's outside shoveling snow at the moment. So I think we might have to go and help shovel snow because there's a lot of snow. And then come back inside and get cozy and have a tea with our homemade tea biscuits and our little sample of jam. And we'll see what other cozy things we get up to today. But we are excited for Vlogmas Day 1.
Yes. I've been waiting all day.
Yes, this is pretty exciting times. So, anyway, what do we say?
See you later.
I guess we'll see you later. We'll see you after shoveling some snow. And we hope you stick around for some tea biscuits and tea and jam. Good?
Yep.
So much snow. I want to just show you how much snow is in the backyard. We got so much snow. It's actually beautiful out now. I love, love, love this weather, and I'm so glad it snowed so much. But now we just have to dig out. Oh, so pretty.
our princess.
Okay. Okay, let's try it. That's good. You like the jam?
Can I determine a taste though?
I know, because that's like, the biscuits are so good. Here, Mike, you want to try a bite?
What kind of jam is it?
Quince chunks.
Quince chunks?
Sounds better in French.
I bet. It's nice.
It's like pear.
I really like those scones. Did you make them fresh?
You don't like it?
I do.
Want it?
No, I want to eat it.
Is this too crunchy for you?
No, I'm just a slow eater. I swear I like it. It's really good.
You gonna share some more of that?
Oh, we have to get in the video then.
I want a bit of that crunchy piece. Over there. Okay, I'll see you later.
Is the crunchy bit good? Can I try a little bit of the crunch? You can have this.
Sure.
I just want a bite of the crunchy.
Can you just have scones and jam for supper?
Yes. That's actually a great idea.
It is a good idea.
We should have had whipped cream. The crunchy bit is good. That'll be good with like cheese and stuff.
Don't steal this.
There's a bird up in the window.
Dad, give it back!
Okay, I'm worn out and I don't want to make supper. So I think that's what we're having for supper.
It really will be Christmas every day.
This is so good.
They're travelling back in time to celebrate 6 decades of festive fun.
Oh, look at that.
From dinner
It's ox heart.
to decorations
I think people might be quite impressed by that. It's exploded in a tinsel time bomb. He's got a Johnny 7! Whoa! Fantastic!